Alright guys, so we're gonna finally get to doing the unboxing video for the Kreg Jig. It's been a while since I said I was going to do it, but it turns out I really need to use it, and I'm excited to use it, and I can't find it. So that's crazy. Where did I put it? That's weird, it was right over there, but I don't see it. Yeah, I really got to get this workshop organized because I spend most of my time looking for stuff because nothing has a spot. It's like, why would I put it all the way up here? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the unboxing video because I'm lazy. I'm just gonna do it right up here. Hopefully the lighting's good enough. Oh, nothing ever works right. There we go. Okay. So we have the Kreg K4 jig. Alright, is that what that's called? Yep. Kreg Jig K4. It's the bonus kit. I got mine from Home Depot a while back around Christmas time. Let's see what's in it. Looks like there's some instructions. Oh, some more instructions. Screw thing. And this is what I was most excited about. We're gonna build all the stuff that's in their kit here. It comes with, I believe it's 5 project plans. So we're actually gonna try to make these even if we do just put them in the garage. So. It's got some cardboard. So here's a bunch of screws. It comes with all different kinds of screws that I'm sure we'll use up in no time. Here's the actual jig. A couple little tools, some plugs. This other thing. They hid the other stuff in here. So here's the clamp, so you can clamp it onto your workbench. Here's the one of the drill bits to put the screws in. And this must be the actual drill bit to drill the holes. So that's pretty serious drill bit there. So that's all that's in the box. I would say that's a pretty good starter kit for if you're gonna use this to join wood together. I got it so that I could do some picture frames, some benches, and a few other things, just so that I could easily join 2 pieces of wood if I needed to, if they weren't in the perfect glue setup. So, and also I also need to fix one of my cabinets because in my house the walls are crooked because it was built in 1890, and one of the cabinets is pulling away from the wall because the wall's curved like this. So I'm gonna make a little block and then suck it back into the wall so the cabinet doesn't fall off the wall. So if this is your first time here, I'd love to have you subscribe. I know this seems kind of ridiculous to do this, but what we're going to do is we're gonna do each one of these projects in here. So I'd love to have you subscribe and join our journey as we start our woodworking projects. And if you have any other tools that you think are a necessity, please leave a comment down below so we can check those out. But I'm gonna read the instructions and try to figure out how to use this thing. And be sure to subscribe. We release a video every Saturday. We call it Shop Saturday, to where throughout the week, hopefully we get a little bit accomplished every day. We kind of keep everybody up to date on what's going down in the shop, what projects we're working on, what new tools we get, and also the progress on finishing our shop. So we call it Shop Saturday. It's every Saturday at 7 a.m. May seem kind of silly, but it's just to keep us motivated. See you next week.